In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Outlook emails to new computer. If you are moving to a new PC or doing a clean install, this process ensures your emails, folders, and archives come with you. We'll first export your data from the old computer. Move the file, and then import it into Outlook on the new computer. On your old computer, open Outlook and head to File. Then Open and Export, and choose Import Fay Export. In the wizard that opens, select Export to a file and click Next. Choose Outlook Data File, or PST, and click Next again. Now pick the email folder or the entire account you want to export. If you want everything, select the top-level mailbox and make sure Include Subfolders is checked. This ensures all your folders, like Inbox, Sent Items, and any custom folders, are included. Click Next, then choose a save location you can access later, such as a USB drive or a cloud storage folder. Give the file a name you'll recognize and click Finish. Depending on how big your mailbox is, the export may take a bit, so let it complete before moving on. Next, transfer the PST file to the new computer. If you used a USB drive, safely eject it from the old computer and plug it into the new one, then copy the PST file over to a folder you can easily find, like Documents. If you saved it to a cloud service, download it to the new computer and make sure the download fully completes before you continue. On the new computer, open Outlook. Go to File, then Open and Export, and select Import Fay Export. Choose Import from another program or file, and click Next. Pick Outlook Data File, PST. Click Next, then browse to the PST file you just transferred. Select it and proceed. You'll be asked how to handle duplicates. If you are importing into a fresh setup, allow duplicates is fine. If you want Outlook to skip items that already exist, choose Do Not Import Duplicates. Click Finish, and Outlook will start importing. The time this takes depends on the size of your file. Once it's done, your emails and folders will appear in Outlook. You may see them merge into your existing mailbox or show up as a separate set of folders labeled with the PST name. You can drag and drop items where you want them if needed. If your file is large, give Outlook a moment to index everything so searches work smoothly. That's it. Your Outlook emails are now on your new computer. Thanks for watching.